This is TechCrunch. It all began in sales. That's where Cam Badger got his start at a pharmaceutical company. He expected to find structure and mentorship on the job, but instead, he found fragmented training, inconsistent coaching, and no real way to scale learning in a meaningful way. He spent 4 years as a sales rep, then a sales trainer, and then worked for a medical startup where he met Brugu Giri. The two lamented about how awful many sales reps were at life science companies like pharma businesses, medical device startups, and so on. The duo decided to try and fix that, launching PraxisPro, a sales coaching platform specifically targeted at medical fields. He believes that better salespeople will help get more treatments into doctors' hands, which will ultimately help their patients. He said, when commercial interactions with healthcare providers are ineffective, patients don't get a fair shot at therapies that could meaningfully change their lives. PraxisPro launched in 2023, though its first product was not released until last year. The company announced on Wednesday a $6 million seed round led by AlleyCorp. Others in the round include Flybridge, South Loop Ventures, and Zeal Capital Partners. PraxisPro is a standalone platform that can also be integrated into enterprise software. It develops small language models trained on life science data to help each company navigate the nuances and context needed to interact with healthcare providers. From there, the company has created an AI agent that helps the commercial sales team practice their communication skills before engaging with customers. Badger said communication is critical in medical sales, so many teams are worried about staying compliant, as each company is responsible for ensuring sales messaging complies with legal frameworks. Aside from helping train sales reps to stay compliant, PraxisPro also hopes to help better execute them to communicate patient needs with healthcare providers. Right now, a salesperson may have 15 interactions with a healthcare provider as part of the sales process. PraxisPro has a conversational AI feature that lets sales reps practice and plan these interactions and be better prepared for what the discussion usually entails, including any pushback that might come up. There are other AI role-playing tools like Quantified and SmartWinner, but Badger says his is different because his company is trained on smaller data sets and specifically focuses on the life sciences sector. The fresh capital will be used toward research and development. In many ways, this was the tool he wished he had when he was still working as a sales rep all those years ago. He struggled, he said, and almost lost his job, but managed to work his way up to become one of the company's top performers. Now he wants to give others a hand. He said, if we can give commercial teams the ability to prepare, practice, and engage at a higher level, consistently and responsibly, well, then we're not just improving commercial operations, but we're helping ensure that innovative therapies reach the patients who need them most. That's it from TechCrunch. For more stories like this one, go to TechCrunch.com.